As we look towards 2025 and 2026, the digital landscape is becoming more complex and dangerous than ever before. In the hidden corners of the internet, a new generation of cybercriminals and state-sponsored actors are honing their skills, preparing to launch attacks that could disrupt economies, compromise national security, and impact our daily lives. Today, we diving deep into the shadows to uncover the top 5 most dangerous hacker groups you need to know about. These are the digital phantoms who will likely dominate the headlines in the years to come. From politically motivated hacktivists to sophisticated state-backed syndicates, we'll explore their biggest hacks, their motivations, and the cutting-edge techniques they use to stay one step ahead of the law. This isn't just about hackers in hoodies. It's about a global shadow war fought with code. Let's start with number 5, the Dark Storm Team, also known as Anonymous Sudan. This group burst onto the scene in early 2023, initially claiming to be a collective of Sudanese hacktivists. However, cybersecurity experts quickly suspected a different story. Their tactics, infrastructure, and targets pointed towards a pro-Russian alignment. They specialize in distributed denial of service, or DDoS attacks, which overwhelm a target's servers with a flood of internet traffic, effectively knocking them offline. One of their most notorious campaigns was against Microsoft. In June 2023, they successfully disrupted several Microsoft services, including Outlook and OneDrive, impacting users globally. They didn't steal data. Their goal was pure disruption, showcasing their power. They've also targeted Scandinavian airlines, government websites in Sweden and Denmark, and even NATO. Their method is often to use a network of hijacked servers and devices, creating a massive botnet to launch these crippling attacks. As geopolitical tensions rise, groups like Anonymous Sudan serve as digital proxies, causing chaos and disruption on behalf of their shadowy sponsors. Their ability to hit major corporations and government infrastructure makes them a significant and unpredictable threat moving forward. At number 4, we have a group with a much more direct and destructive goal: Predatory Sparrow. This group is widely believed to be linked to Israeli state actors and focuses on sabotage, specifically targeting infrastructure within Iran. Their name itself is a direct response to another Iranian hacking group called Charming Kitten. Predatory Sparrow doesn't just steal data, they aim to cause physical damage through cyber means. Their most significant known attack occurred in December 2023, when they claimed responsibility for a massive cyber attack that paralyzed around 70% of Iran's gas stations. This wasn't a simple website takedown. It was a highly sophisticated operation targeting the industrial control systems that manage fuel distribution. Millions of Iranians were left unable to refuel their vehicles, causing widespread disruption and panic. The group even taunted Iranian authorities, releasing messages through the hacked payment terminals at the gas stations. This type of attack, where the digital world is used to create real-world physical consequences, is a terrifying escalation in cyber warfare. Predatory Sparrow's focus on critical infrastructure and their apparent state backing makes them one of the most dangerous players in the ongoing shadow conflict in the Middle East. Coming in at number 3 is a group notorious for its social engineering skills and ruthless targeting of large corporations, Scattered Spider. This group is a financially motivated cybercrime syndicate, and they are masters of manipulation. They don't just rely on sophisticated malware. Their primary weapon is the telephone. Scattered Spider operatives will impersonate IT support staff, help desk employees, or even new hires to trick unsuspecting employees into giving up their credentials or installing remote access software. Their English is fluent, and their approach is incredibly persuasive. Once they gain a foothold in a network, they are patient and methodical. They move laterally, escalating their privileges until they gain access to the crown jewels of the company's data. One of their most audacious attacks was against the casino and hotel giants, MGM Resorts and Caesars Entertainment, in September 2023. At MGM, they reportedly tricked an employee into giving them access, which led to a catastrophic shutdown of hotel systems, slot machines, and websites, costing the company over $100 million. They deployed ransomware, locking up systems and demanding a hefty ransom. Scattered Spider represents a new breed of cybercriminal that blends technical skill with psychological manipulation, making them incredibly difficult to defend against. At number 2, we have one of the most prolific and audacious data brokers on the dark web, Intel Broker. This individual or small group operates like a twisted intelligence agency, specializing in breaching high-profile government and corporate networks and selling the stolen data to the highest bidder. Intel Broker gained notoriety for a string of shocking breaches that seemed almost impossible. In 2023, they claimed to have breached DC HealthLink, which manages healthcare plans for members of the U.S. House of Representatives and their staff, exposing the sensitive personal data of politicians. But they didn't stop there. In early 2024, they claimed to have infiltrated Europol's EPE platform, a portal used by law enforcement agencies across Europe to share sensitive information. Perhaps most alarmingly, they claim to have accessed data belonging to the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, which includes the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. While the full extent of this breach is debated, the very claim sent shockwaves through the intelligence community. Intel Broker's motivation appears to be a mix of financial gain and notoriety. They operate in the open on dark web forums, advertising their stolen goods and building a reputation for accessing the inaccessible. Their ability to penetrate what should be some of the most secure networks on the planet makes them an exceptionally dangerous threat to global security. And finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed titan of state-sponsored cybercrime, the Lazarus Group. Also known by names like Trader. This group is the cyber warfare division of North Korea. They are a multifaceted threat, involved in everything from espionage and disruptive attacks to large-scale financial theft to fund the North Korean regime. Lazarus has been behind some of the most infamous hacks in history. They were responsible for the 2014 Sony Pictures hack, a destructive attack that wiped company data and leaked embarrassing emails in retaliation for a satirical film. They were also the architects of the 2017 WannaCry ransomware attack, which crippled hospitals, businesses, and infrastructure worldwide. But in recent years, their focus has sharpened on a new, lucrative target: cryptocurrency. They have become the world's most formidable crypto thieves. One of their biggest heists was the 2022 hack of the Ronin network, a blockchain linked to the popular game Axie Infinity. Lazarus exploited a vulnerability and drained over $625 million in cryptocurrency. They use incredibly sophisticated phishing schemes, malware, and exploits to target crypto exchanges, DeFi protocols, and individual investors. The money they steal is then laundered through a complex web of mixers and shell accounts, eventually flowing back to North Korea to fund its weapons programs. Lazarus is a unique threat because they have the resources of a nation-state. They are persistent, patient, and constantly evolving their tactics, making them the most dangerous and consequential hacking group in the world today. So, what does the future hold? As we've seen, the world of cybercrime is evolving rapidly. We're moving beyond simple data theft and into an era of sabotage, geopolitical disruption, and massive financial heists. Groups like Anonymous Sudan show how hacktivism can be weaponized by nation-states. Predatory Sparrow demonstrates the terrifying potential of attacks on critical infrastructure. Scattered Spider proves that the human element is often the weakest link in security, while Intel Broker highlights that no data is truly safe. And at the top, the Lazarus Group operates as a cyber army, stealing billions to prop up a rogue state. The line between criminal and state actor is blurring, and the battlefield is everywhere, from our emails to our power grids. Staying vigilant and investing in robust cybersecurity has never been more critical. The digital phantoms are out there, and they are just getting started. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology and security. Stay safe out there.